The 2007 Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and a great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, FWD, rear defrost, premium sound system, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.